We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention.
So good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw, I did my morning workout already and I'm eating this high protein, low cal, full of healthy fats breakfast to help refuel my muscles and refuel my body. Normally I would have greens on my plate here, but we just got back from vacation and I need to go grocery shopping. So we're doing that later today. But this video, you guys, is how to get back on track, how to get back into your healthy habits and your healthy lifestyle when you've been away, or maybe you've just fallen off track with your health and your fitness goals and you don't know how to get back into your routine. That's what today's video is all about. So if you're at the beginning of your weight loss journey, or you just need some healthy tips and tricks on how to get back on track with your healthy lifestyle and get back in your weight loss routine, then you've made it to the right place. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into this video. What's up, ladies, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video with me, what's up? My name is Charlene Town and I talk all things healthy lifestyle and sustainable weight loss. So if you're at the beginning of your weight loss journey and you want some fun, healthy tips from your girl right here, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss another video just like this one. Today, we are starting off here at my kitchen because the first thing that you really want to do is make the next right choice. Whether you are just getting back from vacation or you've fallen off track and you don't know where to start, and maybe you're not eating right or you've stopped moving your body. The first thing, you guys, is you just want to make the next right choice. So for me, that looked like picking a fun full body workout that I knew I was going to really enjoy because I knew I was going to enjoy it. So I did a workout that I knew I was going to love, and I just made the next right choice with my meal. I made a high protein oatmeal. I added eggs for healthy fats and to hit my 30 grams of protein. I'm fueling my body to recover from my workout and honestly, just to make my body feel better. We did a full day of travel 2 days ago, and then yesterday was just jet lagged and crazy. And I ate good yesterday, but honestly, I'm just trying to support my body and feel good from the inside out. And I haven't stepped on the scale. This is not about weight loss right now. This is literally just about creating those healthy habits and just doing one thing at a time. So my next right choice was making this meal, and then I need to get ready because we have a lot of things we got to do today. And stick around because I've got a bunch of healthy habits to get you back on track with your health and fitness goals. So you're gonna want to stay to the end and let me know which one was the most helpful for you. All right, I gotta eat this oatmeal and go wake up my kiddo because we gotta get this day going. So let's go.
My channel.
Hey guys, okay, the next thing that I do to help get me back on track after I've been on vacation or I just get off track with my healthy lifestyle is I make sure to stock my house with lots of healthy food. So I planned a bunch of meals, and me and my girl right here, we're gonna run in and we're gonna go to the grocery store. We're going to stock the house with fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and meats to put in the freezer so that we have healthy options right at home. Because in the past, right now is when I would definitely fall off track, right? Coming home from vacation and not having any food in the house, it is so easy to be like, oh, it's just so much easier to DoorDash or eat out or, reach for quick, easy junk food, right? No, okay, not for me, because that doesn't make my body feel good. And my goal overall for always is to just feel my best, feel good, eat foods that make me feel good, find movement that makes my body feel good, right? So we're gonna go in, we're gonna do a big grocery shop and stock our house with some healthy foods. Yeah. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Yes! Oh my gosh, we're so excited. And what kind of birthday party are we gonna have?
We don't have a Taylor Swift birthday. We were just jamming to my playlist. It's all my favorite Taylor Swift songs.
All right, so we just got back from the grocery store. I need to put all of the groceries away. So the next thing that I'd like to do to get back on track with my healthy lifestyle once I've like fallen off or I'm coming back from vacation and stuff is to try to get back into my old habits and my old patterns and routines that really worked for me, right? So we stocked the house with a bunch of groceries. Now something that I always do is I'm gonna make my smoothie, because my smoothie is full of high protein, greens, high fiber, healthy fats. It's like got all the things that my body needs. I wanna keep making really healthy decisions. So, you know, I ate a really healthy breakfast and now I need to incorporate greens because I have greens in my house, right? So we just do the next best thing. And it's just getting back into those habits and routines. So I'm gonna make Liv and I smoothies while I put away our groceries. I will show you guys the smoothie that I make. I'm probably going to make my salted caramel green smoothie just because I love that one so much. It's quick and it's easy. I'll put the recipe in the description box down below for you. And if you need some healthy, high protein recipes, go ahead and comment Empower down below and get on the wait list for my new recipe book that is coming out, you guys. It's gonna have a lot of really high protein recipes, but it's also gonna help you build your plate and feel empowered to eat healthy, balanced meals that are high protein, lots of veggies, and it's just gonna really encourage you and teach you how to eat right for your body. So if you're interested in something like that, comment Empower down below so that I can send you the link to get on the wait list for that, because it's gonna be really good. It's coming really soon. Just trying to finish it up for you guys. You can also check out my website, CharleneTown.com, that has a tab called Fuel Your Body that has recipes on there for you guys. You guys can go check out all my recipes that I have up on the website for you already. Totally free. Just go download those or check them out, see what you guys like. All right, and something else that I love to do, I am really big about taking my supplements and being really consistent, and I feel my best when I'm very consistent with my supplements and my vitamins. And so when I go on vacation or when I get off track of taking my supplements, because if you guys take a ton of supplements, you guys know it can be really hard. You just get off, like forget a day and then it's like, oh, I forgot the morning, I might as well forget the evening and like all this stuff. Before I left for my trip, I wanted to make sure that I was taking all of my supplements on time when I was away. So I got these really cute, really cheap pill containers. They have morning and night, and I got 2 so that I had enough for both weeks that we were gone. And I have decided that I'm gonna continue using these containers here at the house because it's just so encouraging. Like, I don't have to go into a cabinet and try to find the supplement that I need to take at the right time. I can leave it right where I see it. I can take my supplements first thing in the morning and then take them at night. So have little things that help you out, make your life easier, make your healthy habits easier, right? And if you forgot the morning supplements, make the next right choice now, right? So if you forgot your supplements in the morning, okay, no big deal. Take them now. Or if it's nighttime, take your nighttime supplements and then take your morning supplements in the morning. Don't wait until tomorrow to start, because you're gonna forget tomorrow, and then the next day, and then the next day. But I promise you, if you take your supplements when you're thinking about it, like, oh, I need to take my supplements, take it right then, and then set reminders in your phone, or it's gonna trigger you to want to keep taking your supplements over and over again, okay? So I'm gonna jump into making some smoothies. All right, ladies, I want to leave you with one final thought, and it's kind of the theme of this entire video, but it's definitely something that I wish I would have known at the beginning of my journey and just years ago, because I feel like it would have been so much easier, is to take imperfect action. Don't be afraid to take imperfect action. Don't be afraid to just start where you are right now. Say you had something that wasn't so great for breakfast and you're like, oh, I've totally ruined the day. And you know, what's the point of eating a salad for lunch if I ate so poorly at breakfast? No, take that imperfect action, make that next right choice and eat something healthy at your next meal, or take your supplements when you remember to take them. Choose to make a smoothie that's packed with proteins, greens, healthy fat, fiber, like all the things that you need. Just make that next right choice and don't be afraid to take imperfect action, because you're gonna get farther faster if you do it imperfectly. Like, do the workouts. You don't have to do them perfectly to see success and to see progress. Like, you don't have to eat perfect 100% of the time. You don't have to starve yourself and only eat salads. Like, that last lack mentality of thinking that it's all or nothing, that's what has us stopping our healthy lifestyle. It'll just become more sustainable and a lifestyle if you choose to just show up for yourself the best you can every single day and show up imperfectly, okay? So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that this video was helpful for you. I hope that it encouraged you to get back on track with your healthy lifestyle. You're doing a really great job. Don't forget to comment Empower down below if you want to get on the wait list for the Empower Your Plate recipe book. It's coming for you guys so soon. Don't forget to comment down below what was most helpful for you, and let us all know what you do to get back on track with your healthy lifestyle when you fall off track, okay? And if you made it to this part of the video, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys all so much.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.